Namaste children. Till now we have learned various methods of separation. In today's session we are going to learn about solution and solubility. Let's learn about the solution first. Solution is a liquid mixture in which we have solute and solvent. Solute is a minor component, solvent is a major component. Why we are calling solute as a minor component? Because it is lesser in amount. In a solution, solute will be lesser in amount. Solvent will be more than a solute. Right? So, solute and solvent together form a solution. The best example for solution is water plus sugar. Sugar is a solute here, water is a solvent here. I have shown the picture of a sugar solution. I have added sugar to the water. The sugar is a solute which dissolves in the solvent water. So, solute plus solvent will give you the solution. Solution can be classified into three types: saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. First we will see about saturated solution. It is a solution where no more of the solute can be dissolved. That is, if you add a tablespoon of sugar in a glass of water, it dissolves. You will be getting a sugar solution, right? If you are going to add 2 more spoons of sugar, again that also dissolves. If you are going to keep on adding sugar with that, we can observe some grains of sugar at the bottom of the solution. This point is called saturation point and this solution is called saturated solution. Next we have unsaturated solution. It is a solution which has the capacity to dissolve more solute. That is, the amount of dissolved solute is less than the maximum the solvent can dissolve. That is the solution which hasn't reached the saturation limit. The last we have supersaturated solution. You know what is saturated solution and unsaturated solution. Now we are going to see about supersaturated solution. It is a solution that contains more than the maximum amount of solute. That is, it is capable of being dissolved at a given temperature. This solution is made by, supersaturated solution is made by heating the solvent. First they will heat the solvent and after that they will mix the solute with that. When the solution comes to room temperature, after all this process gets over, when the solution comes to room temperature, it becomes a crystal like this. Now we have learnt about solution, types of solutions too. Next we have solubility here. Actually, solubility is the ability of a substance to get dissolved in a given liquid. It depends upon the quantity of substance which they can dissolve in hot water. Some substance may dissolve in hot water much more than in cold water. So it is the ability of a substance to get dissolved in a given liquid. So any substance that dissolve in a liquid is called soluble substance, which is getting dissolved, which is getting mixed up with that. Which fails to dissolve is called insoluble substance. Let's recall. The substance that dissolves is called solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. The resulting mixture, that is solute plus solvent, is called solution. The solution in which no more of the solute can be dissolved is called a saturated solution. The solution that contains less than maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved is called unsaturated solution. The ability of a substance to get dissolved in a given liquid is called solubility.